In this video, we will be showing you the Qubitscube reviews, so make sure that you follow the video till the end to get to know about it, whether it's legitimate or are they doing any unethical work. So this is the Trustpilot website, and you guys can see that we are reviewing the Qubitscube. So here the total number of reviews are 24 and the average review rating is 3.7. Before we get into the review, you need to know one thing, that some scam websites also put their money and invest their money in buying different sort of reviews online. So the review rating can be fabricated, so make sure that you follow such videos like ours to get to know about that detail. So here you guys can see that there are different sort of people reviewing it and they have different sort of reviews rating. So either it's 1 star or either it's 5 star. So something is wrong, and that could be the fabricated part. So let's go to another website and see what the review rating is about. So Qubitscube.com reviews says their trust score is 10 by 100, and here many people have voted it. 57 said 1 star, 2 people have said 2 stars, and only 18 people have said 5 star. So if we go down and see why does Qubitscube.com has a very low trust score, it is because the website is very young but has a lot of traffic. The website has received negative reviews. The website is very young and has a suspiciously high number of reviews. And this website, scamadvisor.com, tried to analyze the content of the site but failed. The website has been reported for phishing by the IQ abuse scan. So this is a very highlighted part of the review. So the mainly reviews are negative. Total number of reviews are 80 and the average score is 2 stars. So here you guys can see that the Trustpilot score is 3.9. So Scam Advisor score is 1.4. So you guys can understand that this website is in the gray area. I do not recommend you guys to invest any sort of money in such websites because they can scam you. So be careful about it. And I hope you found this video helpful.